Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Who doesn't like a good love story, right? So today we have made a list of top 10 best Chinese dramas that will make you want to fall in love right now. You know what? We're not very good with the pronunciation of the names and we don't really know how those names should be or those characters should be pronounced. So please forgive us for that. And we hope that you like our content, and if you do, please subscribe. So without any further ado, let's begin our list. The first drama on our list is Lover 20. Bei Weiwei is a computer science goddess who is very good at what she does. Reed Weiwei is her player name in the online role-playing game A Chinese Ghost Story. She hopes to be an online game creator. The number one player, Yi Xiao, approaches her and recommends that they should marry online so that they can both compete in the couple's in-game events. The newlyweds online struck it off right away. Weiwei had already fallen in love with him when she realizes that he is her college senior. They work together to overcome a slew of misconceptions and roadblocks in the way of developing their romance. The next drama on our list is The Fox's Summer. Gu Chengze is a Gu family's adoptive son. Mrs. Gu wants Gu Jinyu, her biological grandson, to inherit the company, and Gu Chengze has been tasked with guiding the true heir. He meets fashion designer Li Yanshu during this period and learns that she is Gu Jinyu's ex-girlfriend. He chooses to bring her on board in order to motivate Gu Jinyu, who is still in love with Li Yanshu. When Mrs. Gu learns of this, she tries to keep the two of them apart. In the meantime, Gu Chengze and Li Yanshu get closer and fall in love. Gu Chengze overcomes several challenging situations with the support of Li Yanshu, and thus their romance develops. The next drama on our list is Memory Lost. Despite his forgetfulness and the fact that everyone else claims she doesn't exist, brilliant police officer Han Chen searches hard for his lost fiancée. His search leads him to Bai Jingxi, a bright girl who works as a police detective and has a strange past that rivals Han Chen's. Bai Jingxi uses her exceptional deductive reasoning to help her companion Han Chen solve a variety of complex situations. It contains The next drama on our list is Accidentally in Love. This musical romantic comedy is a hate-to-love story. Chen Qingqing, the heroine, is a peculiar young woman who runs away from her wealthy grandfather and an undesired marriage. She needs to utilize a succession of disguises and phony names because she is being hunted by her grandfather's staff, which leads to funny circumstances. Zitu Feng is the main character, who is arrogant, frigid, but is a top musical star and is conflicted about fame and has a tense relationship with his father. When two polar opposites meet, the outcome of their love story is bound to be interesting. The next drama on our list is Sweet Dreams. Ling Lingqi, a sweet young lady, has always had a thing for renowned florist Bo Hai and is eager to get closer to him by applying for a job at his firm, Flower Plus. They both come across bracelets that are designed to help them sleep better by manipulating brainwaves one day. When they put them on, the device malfunctions, fusing Ling Lingqi's and Bo Hai's brainwaves. As a result, Ling Lingqi appears in all of Bo Hai's dreams, assisting him in overcoming some of his childhood traumas. It's a very unique story, but the love story unfolds very beautifully, so do give this a try. The next drama on our list is The Love Knot, His Excellency's First Love. Guan Pipi's life had been routine and calm until she met Helan Jingping. Pipi is a similarly typical human, but Helan is an alien fox who has lived for a millennium. Through flashbacks, it is revealed that Pipi's first existence was spent as a sacrifice to cure Helan's health problems. As a result, she never survived the past age of 25. They fell in love unexpectedly, and now Helan searches for Pipi throughout her life. Helan looks for a remedy for Pipi's curse in the present day. By the end, you would pray for them to get together. Trust me. The next drama on our list is Meteor Garden. The plot revolves around Dong Shansai, a regular girl who is accepted into the renowned Mingde University despite being from a poor background. She instantly conflicts with F4, an exclusive group made up of institution's four most popular boys. Dao Mingxi, the commander or the leader of the group, gradually falls in love with Shansai. Shansai starts to see the good in the boys, which leads to friendship and eventually a relationship as well. However, because of Shansai's social rank and family background, Dao Mingxi's mother opposes her and the former goes to great lengths to ruin Shansai and Dao Mingxi's connection, but still they survive in their love wins. To see the story, it's remade a lot of times but still as fresh as possible. The next drama on our list is Put Your Head on My Shoulder. Seetomo is unclear about her future plans as graduation approaches. She likes Fu Pei, a childhood friend, but is frustrated by his indecisiveness and unreliability. Seetomo, on the other hand, constantly tries out new things but is unable to make her own choices. When she meets Gu Wei, a physics student, her routine is abruptly disrupted. Her mother forces her to relocate out of dorm and into an apartment that happens to be owned by Gu Wei's mother. Their mothers were in the same class and they arranged for their two children to meet because they thought that they would make a nice match. They begin to fall in love before they even realize it. The next drama on our list is Go-Go Squid Season 2. It's the story of two rival team leaders aiming for success at a national robot competition while their love and appreciation for each other grows by the day. Wu Bai, a talented gamer, has had a long-standing crush on I-King, whom he regards as his idol and a gaming industry legend. As Wu Bai enters the national robot competition, he is pitted against I-King, who represents the opposing team. Wu Bai draws I-King's interest since they are both determined to win. The show also features a cameo appearance by the show's primary pair from season 1. Finally, the last drama on our list is Perfect and Casual. Yuan Shu learns that the man she had collided with in a cafe was actually her statistics professor, Professor Zhang. She is unable to complete her education as a result of him. She is also duped by her cousin and becomes homeless after giving him all of her money to purchase an apartment that turns out to be Professor Zhang's residence. As a result, when he asks her to pretend to be his girlfriend in order to fulfill his grandfather's dying desire, she agrees because it also entails lending her a room to sleep in while she sorts out her affairs. Eventually, pragmatic person begins to warm up. So guys, that was our list for today. If you think that we missed out a few names, please leave it in the comment section below. We will surely pin the most interesting recommendations. If you like our content, please hit that like button, share with your friends and subscribe because we'll be coming forward with more such content in future. And I promise we'll be giving you most interesting dramas and recommendations to watch. Till then, keep watching and please show your love and support.